Now, in the previous videos, all I've been showing you is how to create, how to add, and it doesn't have to do with anything removal or update. And we believe that people make mistakes, so when you make mistake, you need to update or you need to delete. So, well, now today's video, what I would like to show us is how to actually update a record. Well, let me use another sample record, not our admin, not our John or any other record. So what I'll do is I'll come here and I would say insert. I'll insert another record, and let's say Jane, just like I did, and same login, and we'll say go. We should have a new user as Jane popping up there. We'll click admin table. We should have a new user Jane with an ID of 2 and password login. Well, same password, right? Yeah. Okay. And I would like to change Jane to Jack. What I'll do is I'll click edit, right? I'll click edit, I'll come here, and what I'll just do is I'll just change it directly to Jack and click go. And well, while we're affected, update has been done, and when you check this, you see that we have Jack and login. Well, I like using J's. Well, we have Jack and we have login. That's as simple as it looks using PHP My Admin. Well, let's go ahead and do the same using, oh, this was for the last video to get this out. So let's go ahead and do this using the normal normal, but I mean, like, it's better, but the command prompt, which is where you actually type MySQL SQL codes. So we use tutorial 2, and well, first of all, let's select all the records and see, select all from admin. Alright, so that we can actually see how the change occurs. We already can see that we have John and we have Jane, but we want to change Jane. We realize that Jane isn't who she is. She's actually Jack. What a contradicting issue, but well, it's okay. So what we want to do like now is to change just this Jane to Jack. So we use the update query. The update query is very essential in changing this, and that's what it's used. Well, you bet. I'll actually show you here, and it's update. So you update. Now you put the field, the table name, right? So I want to update this table. It's just like a normal English. I want to update this table. So update table name, and we also use the keyword set. So update table name and set. Now we put a field name, and to be equal to new value. Yeah, I should just name it new value. Yeah, okay. So field name to be called new value in quotes, because you know we use our values in quotes even while adding. So field name equals new value in quote, and we have to indicate what value do we want to change, because we have 2 records here. Which one do you want to change? We want to change this. Well, it doesn't know, so that's where the importance of ID or any other primary key is seen, because okay, they all have different IDs. They can all be John, login, and it will be confusing when we say we want to use John. Which John? We want to use password as login. Which login? So, but ID can't be the same. That's the point. So, value, well, new value, and we'll put a condition where let's say the primary key equals the unique value, something like that, and then we end with a semicolon. I keep emphasizing on semicolon thing. You might do the same, you might do the right thing from beginning to this point, and without putting a semicolon, it makes your work look like you were wrong from the beginning, and that's how bugs work. So put semicolon, and well, let's just apply this here. Update the table name now is admin, and we're going to set username to be equal to Jack, where ID equals now the ID of this is where we would now indicate. If I put 1, it will change John to Jack. If I put 2, it will change Jane to Jack. So we want to change Jane to Jack, so I'll put 2 and end with a semicolon, and we have a query. Okay, 1 row affected, rows matched, it's 1, it changed 1, and there's 0 warnings. So we can still use the select all query to view, and voila, we can see that we have transformed Jane to Jack with the same login as password as login, same ID as 2, and that was it. Simple as it looks, right? So I believe that's all for this tutorial, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.